Hey, yeah, yeah. Who is like you?
Lesa Wafipapo,
Lesa Wamaka.
Lesa Wafipapo,
There is none like you.
Lesa Wafipapo,
Wemfumu ya mafumu.
Lesa Wafipapo.
Who is like you? You sit above the heavens, the earth is in your hands. Mountains bow before you, oceans know your name. Yeah. Thunder speaks your power, lightning shows your glory. The skies declare your greatness. Lesa Wafipapo. If we keep silent, the stones will rise and worship. If we do not praise, creation will cry out. Amabwe akatasha, ifilumba fika kumkula, imipili kafukama, pantri mwemwa liva mukulu. Hey! Who is like you? Who has loved me like you? Who has carried me like you?
Lesa Wafipapo,
Who has covered me like you? Who has healed me like you?
Lesa Wafipapo.
You stopped sickness before it started. You fought battles I never knew. You fed me from heaven. There is no one like you. Hey! Mountains are your altar. The sky is your garment. The wind is your messenger. The fire knows your voice. The seas obey your whisper. The storm bows to your word. The earth trembles in reverence. Lesa Wafipapo. You are the God who heals before sickness begins. You are the God who covers before danger comes near. You are the God who fights battles I never saw. You are the God who answers prayers I could not pray. You healed the sickness before it touched my body. You blocked the arrow before it reached my house. You covered my children before I knew the danger. You stood in the doorway before the enemy entered.
Who is like you?
Who has loved me like you? Who has carried me like you?
Lesa Wafipapo,
Who has covered me like you? Who has healed me like you?
Lesa Wafipapo.
You stopped sickness
Before it started,
You fought battles I never knew. You fed me from heaven.
there is no one like you.
You fed your children with food from heaven. Manna fell down from a merciful God. Jehovah Jireh, provider of your people. When there was no bread, you opened heaven. Lesa Waluse.
Lesa Wasitemwiko,
You feed your children.
from your holy hand.
You gave water from the rock. You revealed your power. Lesa wa mulilo, Lesa wa mushilo, Lesa wa bukata.
Who is like you, God? Who answers by fire?
Who can count your mercy? Who can silence your thunder? Who can stop your hand? You speak and mountains tremble. You breathe and dry bones live. You command and doors open. You arise and darkness flees. Balani abangalingana na imwe tapali mwelesa. Banani habanga pala makubuka tapwenu tapali mwetata. There is no comparison. There is no one beside you. There is no power above you.
Lesa Wafipapo. Let the mountains worship. Let the oceans roar. Let the stones cry holy.
Let the nations bow.
Let the heavens open. Let the earth proclaim.
Let every dragon tongue praise the holy name.
Lesa wa bukata.
Tami pera ubukata.
Lesa wa maka.
Tami pera amalumbo.
Lesa Wafipapo.
Who is like you? Who has loved me like you? Who has carried me like you?
Lesa Wafipapo.
You stopped sickness before it started. You fought battles I never knew. You fed me from heaven. There is no one like you. You split the sea. You swallowed armies. You led your people with cloud and fire. You broke the chains. You opened prisons. You raised the dead. You healed the sick.